Have you ever been terrified that one wrong step could send you crashing to the floor, changing your life forever? Imagine losing your independence after a single preventable fall. For men and women over 60, this fear is not just in your mind, it is a real, daily threat. In fact, every 11 seconds, an older adult in the US is treated in the emergency room for a fall-related injury. But what if I told you that certain simple movements done just 3 times a week could not only protect you from falls, but actually reverse the clock on your muscles, your confidence, and how young you feel every day? Think about this. Have you noticed how getting out of a chair is harder than it used to be? Or maybe you already feel those subtle warning signs: unsteady on stairs, grabbing railings, or lacking strength to carry groceries. You're not alone. Millions wake up each morning quietly worried about losing mobility or becoming a burden to family. It's a slow, silent process: muscles getting weaker, balance fading, and simple activities turning into daily challenges. But what if the best solution wasn't an expensive medication, but movements you can do in your own home? In one study at the University of California, a group of 73-year-olds actually reversed their biological age by an astonishing 15 years, in just 8 weeks, without fancy pills or surgeries, just by performing specific exercises. Imagine waking up and feeling more powerful, steadier, and more energetic than you have in decades. If you could get back one physical ability from your 40s, what would it be? Would it be walking effortlessly, playing with grandchildren, or simply standing up without pain? It sounds almost too good to be true. But research from places like Harvard Medical School and the Mayo Clinic suggests these changes are absolutely possible if you use the right movements. And in a moment, I'll show you exactly which 5 can make all the difference. But first, take a second to picture your own life. Are you afraid of losing your independence? Has a loved one suffered a sudden decline after a fall? Could simple daily activities be the key to getting your freedom back? If you've ever thought this is just part of getting older, I'm here to challenge that belief, because these 5 movements have been shown to help restore not only muscle and balance, but hope, confidence, and the ability to enjoy life again. Let me share a quick story. My patient, Janet, age 68, came to me after a slip on wet grass left her too anxious to walk on her own. After just 8 weeks of incorporating these targeted exercises, she found herself climbing stairs with ease, gardening again, and even walking her dog every morning. She felt stronger and safer than she had in years. Janet's story is just one of many, and it might be yours. 2. This video is for educational purposes only and should not be considered medical advice. So, let's dive into the 5 powerful anti-aging movements that can help you rebuild your strength, improve your balance, and reclaim the active life you deserve. The first movement is heel raises with an eccentric focus. If you've heard the word eccentric and thought it sounded complicated, don't worry. The eccentric phase simply means focusing on the lowering part of the movement. This one simple tweak has been shown in a University of Copenhagen study to increase calf strength by 52% and reaction time by 41% in seniors, meaning you're much less likely to fall if you trip. So why do your calves matter so much? After age 60, your calves lose nearly half of their power. They act like your body's emergency brakes, firing instantly when you lose your balance or trip over something. Weak calves mean that this system fails and down you go. This is why it's more common for older adults to take a sudden, devastating fall after a minor misstep. Here's how to do it. Stand behind a sturdy chair, using just your fingertips for balance. Place your feet hip-width apart, toes forward. Quickly rise up onto your toes as high as you can in just 1 second. Then take 6 slow seconds to lower yourself all the way back down. Count it out in your head. That slow lowering phase is delivering tiny, helpful stress to your muscle fibers and signaling your body to build them back stronger and denser. It even supports the production of collagen, increasing elasticity and responsiveness in the Achilles tendon. Aim for 15 repetitions. Rest briefly and repeat for up to 3 sets. As you get stronger, work toward performing the movement with one leg at a time to double the challenge. Breathe in as you rise, and exhale steadily as you lower. This not only helps your muscles, but regulates your blood pressure, reducing dizziness, a common enemy for older adults. And remember, keep your body aligned, like a string pulling you up tall, no bending at the hips or shoulders. Within just a few weeks, you may notice everyday walking feels lighter, stairs become less daunting, and that stiff, shuffling walk so common after 60 starts to fade. This single, focused movement can literally rewrite how confident you feel on your feet. And research suggests it could even help increase bone density in your lower legs. Now let me share a mini story. My neighbor, Tom, age 71, used to complain that even short walks left his legs fatigued and tight. After 3 weeks of these eccentric heel raises, he found himself keeping up with his grandkids at the park, and he hasn't looked back since. Have you ever found yourself hesitating before walking on grass or uneven ground? Worried you might stumble? Let's move to the second critical movement, the glute bridge with hold. You may not realize it, but your glute muscles, the buttocks, are meant to be the strongest in your body. After age 60, something called gluteal amnesia often sets in. Your muscles quite literally forget how to work, causing not just back pain, but a shuffling gait, sore knees, and even higher fall risk. But one movement can wake those muscles up. To begin, lie on your back with knees bent, feet flat on the floor about hip-width apart. Press through your heels, squeeze your glutes, and lift your hips up, forming a straight line from shoulders to knees. This isn't just about thrusting up and down. The secret is in the 5-second hold at the top, squeezing your glutes as hard as you can imagine cracking a walnut. In a study from Australia, seniors performing these bridges increased hip strength 63% and reduced their back pain by over 70%. For many, just being able to get out of a chair, stand taller, and walk without shuffling made life feel years younger. After holding at the top, lower yourself slowly about 3 seconds, then repeat. Focus on quality, not speed. Do 12 repetitions. Rest, then repeat for 2 or 3 sets. If you mostly feel the movement in your hamstrings, move your feet closer to your body. If your back feels strained, check your form. Don't overarch your back or drive with your lower spine. As you progress, you can switch to single leg variations for more challenge. One of my former patients, Mary, used to wake up every morning with aching hips that made stairs a nightmare. 2 months into glute bridges, she's back to walking her dog up and down hills, something she thought she'd never do again. Imagine how your daily life could improve with just a few minutes of this movement. Now, how about the third movement that directly restores one of the most important but neglected abilities, your body's balance and coordination? I'm talking about the modified bird dog. You might think of balance as something you're either born with or lose as you get old. But research from the Cleveland Clinic shows balance can be rebuilt at any age. In one study, participants saw a 58% improvement in balance and reduced their risk of falling by nearly 3/4 after only 10 weeks. Here's how it works. Start on all fours, hands under shoulders and knees under hips, keeping your back flat like a table. Slowly extend your right arm forward and left leg back, taking 4 full seconds. Hold for 5 seconds, then slowly return to start over 4 seconds. This isn't about how high you can lift, but about control and stability. The slower, the better. You may notice your hips want to tilt or your body wants to sway, but that's part of the training. It's challenging, tiny, deep muscles along your spine, especially the multifidus, which protect your back, prevent pain, and keep you steady on your feet. Research suggests that these are critical muscles for seniors, and standard exercise routines barely touch them. Do 8 slow, controlled repetitions on each side, with 2 or 3 sets total. If extending arm and leg together is too hard at first, start with only one limb at a time, and build up gradually. After a few weeks, you'll stand taller, walk with more confidence, and feel firmer through your core. Imagine being able to navigate uneven sidewalks or grassy parks without fear. I remember a patient, Sam, who had stopped attending his bowling group after a minor stumble. After just 6 weeks of bird dogs, he was back on the lanes, enjoying his independence and social life again. Have you ever avoided a favorite activity just because you no longer trusted your balance? For the fourth movement, it's time to rebuild the lost power in your legs with step-ups and a knee drive. It's like turning back the clock on your legs, bringing back the spring in your step you had decades ago. As we age, we lose fast twitch muscle fibers, those responsible for explosive movement, catching yourself if you trip, and keeping up with daily life. But research in the Journal of Aging and Physical Activity found that seniors doing step-ups with a knee drive 3 times per week climb stairs 47% faster and cut their hip fracture risk by a third. Here's how to do it. Find a sturdy step, about 8 inches high, or a low stair. Step up with your right foot. Drive your left knee upward toward your chest. Then return with control. Repeat for 10 reps. Then switch sides. It's important to push through your heel and to control every movement, not to swing or let momentum take over. If you feel uncertain, keep one hand near a wall for balance. This movement works your legs, hips, and glutes, but more importantly, trains your muscles to respond quickly to sudden changes, the very kind of reflex that can save you from a fall. After a few weeks, you'll notice walking upstairs and getting out of cars is easier. You'll move with more speed and confidence, just as you did years ago. Breathe out as you push up. As you return, controlling your breath helps your muscles and your focus. One of my favorite stories comes from George, age 67, an avid gardener who was struggling to kneel and stand up from his flower beds. After 2 months of step-ups, he was back to tending his roses, feeling lighter on his feet and stronger than ever. What would it mean for your daily life if you could move with that same lightness and ease? And now, for the fifth and final movement, the one that researchers at Harvard Medical School described as revolutionary for healthy aging. The farmer's walk with pauses. This is perhaps the simplest, most powerful anti-aging exercise there is. In one groundbreaking study, participants enjoyed major gains in grip strength, which is now known as one of the best predictors of healthy aging and independence. They also improved their walking speed and even boosted results on cognitive tests by nearly a quarter. To begin, grab 2 weights dumbbells, full water jugs, or even sturdy grocery bags filled with books. Stand tall, shoulders back, core tight. Walk forward for 20 steps. And here's the key. Every 5 steps, stop and pause for 3 seconds. During each pause, squeeze the weights like you're crushing an orange, keeping your posture perfect. After 20 steps, turn around and repeat. This movement does more than just work your upper body. The pause creates powerful signals to your muscles and bones, triggering them to rebuild. In the Harvard study, participants saw real increases in bone density, reversing 7 to 10 years of typical bone loss. Their cognitive scores, memory, and even posture improved. The benefits ripple out far beyond what you'd expect from such a simple movement. Do 3 walks of 20 steps each, taking a break between sets. If the weights feel too heavy or your lower back strains, start lighter and work up. Breathe steadily while walking, and take a deep breath and hold it during each pause. After a few weeks, everyday activities like carrying groceries, moving furniture, or traveling will feel easier and safer. You may notice improved concentration and faster thinking. 2. Have you ever struggled to lift a suitcase or open a stubborn jar lid? Building back this strength can boost your confidence in ways you haven't felt since your younger years. Let's connect these exercises into one powerful routine. Together, they form a 30-minute circuit you can do 3 times each week. Start with the basics. Listen to your body and focus on perfect form, not speed or heavy weights. These movements are designed to wake up dormant stem cells in your muscles and stimulate growth factors, helping your body rebuild from the inside out. You don't need a gym, a personal trainer, or expensive supplements, just your own dedication and a little time. Think back to that study at the University of California. Real people in their 70s reversed their biological age by 15 years just by doing variations of these movements. Science supports it, and real life proves it. I've seen these changes again and again with my own patients and even my own family. You are never too old to get stronger. Regain balance and restore confidence in your body. The companies making money off expensive pills don't want you to know this, but knowledge and consistent movement can give you the vibrant, independent life you deserve. What about you? Which everyday activity has become more difficult as you've gotten older? At what age did you first notice small changes in your body? Do any of these 5 movements sound like something you're eager to try today? I invite you to share your experiences and questions in the comments below. We read every word you write. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tips on living a healthy and vibrant life after 50 bow. And check out our next video on reversing insulin resistance for even more strategies to regain energy and independence. If you've ever felt tired, or have worried about losing your strength after 50 pounds, this channel is for you. Stay strong, and remember, your fountain of youth starts with movement.